Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson number 2, that is fractions and decimals. Okay. In the previous classes, we have studied about the fractions. Okay. So we have completed our topic fractions, in which we have studied about the form in which fractions gets represented. Okay. Fraction has a divide line. है ना? Fraction has a divide line in which the number written above the divide line we call it as a numerator, and the number written below the divide line we call it as a denominator. But there is a condition: if denominator is 0, then we don't call it as a fraction. So the condition is, if there is a fraction, denominator must not be 0. Denominator 0 नहीं हो सकता है. Okay. After that we studied about the 10 types of fractions. Okay. After that, addition of fractions, in which there are 2 types: like fractions and unlike fractions addition. Okay. If there is a addition of like fractions, then you can add them directly. That means write the denominator one time and add the numerators. Okay. And then find out the answer. Okay. And in the unlike fractions, then the denominators are different. So you need to equate here both the denominator. For this we use the LCM method. Okay. After that, if our answer is a proper fraction, we don't need to change it. Okay. If our answer is an improper fraction, we convert it into a mixed fractions. And one more thing is there: our answer must be in a shortest form. Okay. After that, same as addition, there is a subtraction of fractions. Okay. There are some properties also. Okay. So after that, multiplication of fractions, in which multiplication we have to multiply numerator with numerator. We have to multiply our numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, and then find out the answer. Okay. You can apply the cancellation method also. That means you can cancel one numerator and denominator if they both come in a common table. Okay. After that, there is a division of fractions. Division is nothing but an inverse of multiplication, in which you write your first fraction as it is, change your division symbol to the multiplication symbol, and write your second fraction's reciprocal. What is reciprocal? If we interchange our numerator with the denominator, then we say that the number form is called the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay. We have completed all these topics and the exercise based on these. Okay. So now we are moving further with our next topic. What is our next topic? Decimals. Yes, we have completed fractions. Now we are going for the decimals. Now, did you have any idea about the decimals? Anyone have the idea about the decimals? Okay, someone or some students have the idea about the decimal number. So let us recall it. Okay, decimal fractions means what? Okay, what is the fraction? Fraction means we studied about the decimal fraction when we studied about the 10 types. We studied about the decimal fractions. है ना, जब हमने starting में 10 types of fractions पढ़े थे, we studied about the decimal fractions. Okay, so now tell me, anyone tell me what the definition of decimal fraction. Which fractions we call it as a decimal fraction? ऐसे कौन से fraction होते हैं जिनको हम decimal fraction बोलते हैं? The fraction in which the denominator is 10 or multiple of 10, then we say that the given fraction is decimal fraction. Okay, so ऐसा fraction जिसका denominator 10 या multiple of 10 means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so these are all the multiples. So if the denominator is 10 or multiple of 10, then we say that the fraction is a decimal fraction. Okay, or simply decimal. Okay, now if the given number is 19, okay, this is your decimal number 19.734. Okay, so the point given here, this point which will be given here, called the क्या बोलते हैं उसे? डेसिमल पॉइंट. वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ डेसिमल पॉइंट. ओके, सो this is your decimal point. The point given here we call it as a decimal point or simply decimal. Okay, and this part we call it as a integral part. Which part? Integral part. And the part which is on this is called the, जो पार्ट इस राइट साइड में है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? उसे बोलते हैं डेसिमल पार्ट. ओके, so a decimal number has three parts: decimal point or decimal, the part on the left side of a decimal point called it as an integral part, and the part which is on the right side of decimal point we call it as a decimal part. ओके, इसे इंटीग्रल पार्ट इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि इसमें इंटीजर होता है, और इसे डेसिमल पार्ट इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि ये इसमें जो पोर्शंस होता है वो डेसिमल फॉर्मेट में होता है. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी हाउ टू रीड दिस. ओके, बिफोर यू going for the study of the addition subtraction of a decimal number, you have to tell me how to read the decimal number. For this you must know the place values of a decimal numbers. Okay, we have studied about it in the previous class, but just let's recall it. Let's recall it. Suppose your number is number. This is your decimal point. The number just on the left side of the decimal point, the place value is called the ones. The place value is called the ones. After that, tens. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds. After that, thousands, and after that, 10,000s. So the place values for the integral part is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, so the part which is on the left side we call it as the integral part, and the place values for this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, but remember that don't write ones from here. Okay, don't write ones, 10, 100, 1000, and 10,000. You have to write it from the right to left. आप जो place values लिखते जाओगे वो right से left में लिखोगे. ठीक है, but for the decimal point, for the decimal part you have to write the place values from left to right. ठीक है, that means वो आपको क्या करना है, जो पार्ट डेसिमल पॉइंट के एकदम पास में है वहां से अपनी प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी स्टार्ट करनी है. ओके, सो दिस इज योर वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड्स एंड 10,000. बट इन द राइट साइड what will be your place values? This is tens. ठीक है, ये tens है, TENS, but this is tens. Tens means 1/10, that is TENTHS. Okay, tens. After that, hundreds. Okay, after that, thousands, and after that for 5, 10, thousands. Okay, make sure in this side it is hundreds, but in the right side it is hundreds. That means you have to apply TH. ओके, आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. यहाँ जो डेसिमल प्लेसेस लिखी है वही इधर सॉरी प्लेस वैल्यूज लिखी है वही राइट साइड में, but there is a th in your spelling because these are the decimal parts, and here the place value started from ones, but here it will start from the tens. Okay, so if you have to read the given number, you will read the left side of the decimal point first. अगर आपको decimal number रीड करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट के लेफ्ट साइड वाला पार्ट पढ़ोगे, दैट इज ये जो लिखा हुआ है 4 5 7 3 1, व्हाट विल यू रीड इट। ओके, अगर आपको पता है कि इसे कैसे रीड करते हैं तो मुझे बताओगे कि 4 5 7 3 1 को हम कैसे रीड करते हैं। 45,731 we read it as 45,731. So in the decimal number also it will be read it as same. Okay, so 45,731 point, we call it as a point. So 45,731 point, and the digits after this decimal point you read it as individually. आप उसे एक एक करके रीड करोगे, so we read the number as 45,731.7345. That means the number on the right side or the digits in the decimal part we read it individually 7 3 4 5. We read it as 7 3 4 5. Okay, so this is your reading. Okay, I will take some examples also, but before that, as I told you, all the numbers in which denominator is a multiple of 10, just like 5 upon 10, 4 upon 100, 56 upon 100, 7 upon 1000, 76 upon 1000, or 761 upon 1000, or 81427 upon 1000. Okay, we call all these as a decimal fractions, and it can be converted into the decimal numbers. Okay, so how to read the decimal numbers? Okay, I will write some numbers here, you have to read it. Okay, so okay, these are the 5 examples of decimal numbers in which you have to read it. What will be the pronunciation or how to read the first number, that is 43.2714. This is your given number. Then tell me how to read it. We read it as, first we read the left part of the decimal, that is left part is 43. So we read it as 43. After that we read the decimal point. We call it as a point only. So 43.2714. So we read it as 43.2714. Okay. Now the next number is 5.7124. Again 5.7124. Okay. Third number 349. 349.712. Okay, so we read the left part as a number reading, but the right side number we read it individually. Okay, fourth number is 5,485. 5431. 5431.127. 5431.127. The last number 77,499. 77,499.415. Okay, in this way you will write the random numbers and try to read them. आप क्या करोगे, आप कोई भी random numbers ले लो, किसी को बोलो कि वो आपको random numbers बताए and try to read them. Okay, this is your introduction of decimals. Okay, this is your introduction of decimals in which we learn about the what are the decimal fractions. The decimal fractions are in which the denominator is 10 or the multiple of 10. Okay, after that we study about the three parts of decimal number, that is decimal point, integral part and the decimal part. After that we study about the place values in the decimals. Okay, and after that we study about the how to read the decimal numbers. Okay, the remaining topics we will taking in the next lecture. Till then, practice it well